G'day viewers, I've been very busy these last couple of days. I'm wondering why this thing doesn't want to charge. It usually, this is actually fully charged. It actually trickle charges and maintains it. For some reason it doesn't want to charge. The contacts seem to be sitting okay. Might have to test these with a multimeter, see if they're getting any voltage. Hope it hasn't popped. So then DC volts, I'll get the tripod set up here. Okay viewers, let's test this contacts here, see if I get a voltage. It's a 7.2 volt output, so unloaded. Let's see what this thing's putting out with no load at all. .14 volts DC. Is that no load? This is actually a linear based. It's a transformer and rectifier in there. It's not switch mode, so it's a good quality one. I've also noticed there's a provision for a UK plug top in there. Interesting. So when I set that on the charger, there you go. It's intermittent. It doesn't always want to work. It should just work as soon as you put it on. It sits on these contacts here to charge. Seems very intermittent. Now it works. There's a pretty good little screwdriver though. You can take this end off and you've got a little ratchet and clutch assembly in there. Very good for more teardowns, this little screwdriver. I was having problems charging it. Yeah, it used to be very intermittent, but now it seems to be okay. Must say when I have this end on it, I must throw it off balance, so it's charging up quite well now. But yeah, it's interesting they put a UK plug top on the bottom of that. Maybe it's for convenience when you roll the cord up during storage. You can set the plug inside there and just it all neatens up. But the only problem is this is not made for the UK market, or not sold in the UK market. It's sold in the Australian market. As you can see there, you can't fit an Aussie plug top in that. There you go, it's interesting. Made in a PRC obviously, but it's actually quite a little unit. Yeah, 7 volts, 250 milliamp hours, a secondary inside there, that transformer. Yeah, it's a very handy little tool for my teardowns. I use these extra bits I got. Also got a little ratchet for real stubborn screws. All my fittings in there. I've got some smaller ones of these too. So all I need now is those bloody get some bits of those triangular Torx screws. They're the only screws I've come across that I haven't got any tools to fit. Okay viewers, all this Sangamo that Rodalco 2007 or Raymond posted to me. I think it's actually pronounced Sangamo. Because it sounds, by pronouncing it like that, it sounds about right how it's pronounced like that. I made some anyway, I made some crude anti-tamper seals. I might change it, but these seem to work quite well. Just got some copper wire, twisted it up, and just soldered it. Doesn't look quite as good as the old lead seals do, but it looks sort of authentic how I've did it like that. It's quite thick. You can fit quite thick anti-tamper seals through these ones. Looks quite well. Quite happy I've had that worked out. I did the same on my other BAZ2 modem like that. I haven't got any small lead sinkers, so I will just they'll look even better if I use some lead sinkers and just crimp them in between, and they look like the real thing. Okay viewers, I'm gonna this is a long-term project here. I've been waiting to make a terminal cover for this H.A.T. Sangamo, so I could get it exercising its load wheel again to keep it accurate. Zoom out a bit here. There you go, it's better. Because running it without a terminal cover really isn't safe. So I got this one here off the old time switch, but as you can see it's a bit big. That's an original terminal cover, but this is off the time switch from the same era as this. That Type A, I think it was, I did a video on, the one that needs a synchro motor. So I'm going to have to make one out of a bit of steel plate. So I've got a template here. Start down there, make me marks, measure how wide the meter is, and I'll cut out of this. Although the thickness, so it has to be about, not quite sure how thick that is, but it'd be at least 8mm. As you can see there, it folds up, and that's to fit the rivet and everything, and the bolt. This is actually, well, it's the same thickness as the actual casting of this terminal cover, which is also made of cast iron like the body of the meter. So I'm going to have to, shouldn't be too hard to do, stick that on there, mark that out. I've got a little divot there which allows for the bottom of the meter here, so that it fits snugly. Just got to centre it and measure the on here, so it's about at least, I think it's about a centimetre shorter. This has to be. Shouldn't be too hard to do, and I'll give it a good clean up, file the edges down, paint it black, and that'll be good. Okay viewers, it's all done. I've got some zinc aluminium spray paint. That's all I got. I haven't got any black paint. So look at that. Perfect. Beautiful. Just not the right colour. I'm not too fussed about that. Until I get some black paint, it'll look even better. The hole's not quite big enough to allow the threads, so I'll have to file that hole out a bit to allow the bolt to go through. Just got to find a bolt with the same thread as this to go in there, and that'll also secure with the terminal cover down, and that'll be it. That feels pretty good. Alright. Hopefully I've got a spare bolt in my bolt box with the same thread as that. That'll be good to go. Okay, viewers, that's done. It's not quite the right thread, so I've got it in there just firmly. It's holding, but it's good enough to hold the terminal cover on for me. That's a lot safer now. Alright viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.